Do you need a better knowledge of the possibilities existing in the artificial intelligence available today? Do you want to know how big data will shape future? Do you want to achieve a professional understanding of the most commonly used machine learning modules? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that's becoming increasingly relevant in our modern world. It's a relatively new and progressive way of allowing a computer model to improve over time as it is introduced to more data. With the widespread availability of computers today, most machine learning techniques can be done at home. From the GPS on our phones to the future of self-driving cars, machine learning is becoming more relevant to our lives every day. Every time our email inbox sorts spam email, there is a machine learning model involved. When we use voice recognition on our phone, neural networks are sorting and analyzing our words. This audiobook will give you the key terms and basic understanding of the fast-growing field in computer science, as well as a breakdown of machine learning techniques and algorithms, why and how they are used, the tools you will need, where to find data, what languages are best for machine learning, and what technology is available to help you. Practical examples of machine learning being used in the modern world. The basic statistics and mathematics necessary to understand and interpret data. A jumping-off point to begin diving into this fascinating technology. Even if you aren't an expert in mathematics or computer programming, you will learn the basics of machine learning from this audiobook. If you are ready to know how machine learning models work, check out this guidebook, check out this audiobook to help you get started. Scroll up and click the Buy Now button.